In this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and change the account name on Steam. So, as you can see right here, my account name is YT on the Beats, right? What I just need to do is click on this name, and then I want you to go ahead and click on View My Profile, which is the first option right here. Go ahead and click on that, and you will be redirected to this page. This is your profile page. You just need to come in, click on Edit Profile. Okay. As you can see, my name here is YT on the Beats, YT on the Beats everywhere. I'll just come here on a profile name. I'll just type in a new name. For example, Straw Hat. Okay. We'll do Straw Hat as the new name. And then all you want to do is come here, scroll down, click on Save. As you can see, my name has updated. Really that easy and simple.